I choose to make every second matter, to capture every moment. The OSMO Mobile takes the shake away from my video, so I never have to worry about losing a memory. All I need to do is snap in my phone. I share rare moments live to inspire friends back home. When making new friends, I want to be in the scene. The OSMO Mobile automatically tracks me, so I never miss a moment. Creating motion time lapses has never been so easy. I can shoot a perfect panorama. There's a great quote: "We travel not to escape life, but for life not to escape us." So don't let life pass you by. Follow your passion, live, start telling your story, and be an inspiration.
Nearly 1 year ago, we introduced the Feiyu G4 3-axis handheld stabilizer. The videos filmed by the community were absolutely stunning, so we decided to build a new, even more powerful filmmaking tool. After talking to hundreds of customers, brand ambassadors, retailers, and working on many different prototypes, we are finally releasing our most powerful and versatile stabilizer yet, the new G4S. It is the first restriction-free 360 degrees rotatable action camera stabilizer ever. Every motor can now perform a full rotation without having the camera to hit the gimbal. We also added a 360 degrees rotatable thumbstick that allows you to adjust the camera angles on the go without having to touch the camera and get your hands into the shot. There is a female mini USB port on the bottom of the gimbal. Now you are able to connect an external display to your gimbal to see what you are filming. The live video data from the Gopro is accessed by a male mini USB port at the top of the gimbal. We know that Feiyu users do not want to waste time mounting or dismounting their action cameras. This is why we also changed the way your camera is attached to the gimbal. The new quick attachment buckle makes mounting fast and easy, but still keeps the camera safe in place. You also do not have to worry about your GoPro's battery life anymore. The new G4S features a male mini USB at the top of the gimbal, capable of charging a camera while using the gimbal. If your GoPro is running low on energy, you can activate the charging function of the gimbal by using the lower button on the top of the gimbal. The upper button can be used to determine whether the live preview of your GoPro is sent to the, if available, built-in display or the external display that can now be connected via mini USB. Besides making the motors stronger than ever before, we also removed the power button at the bottom of the gimbal and replaced it by a tripod mount. This massively broadens the versatility of the new G4S.
People don't really believe that. But for most people it's plausible. The real thing that haunts them is that when they die,